Hello guys, and welcome to another David ZIMALETA. In today's video, I want to unbox this air pump here. This is supposed to be like a high pressure air pump, and it's electrical. I got this pedal board recently, and basically I need to pump it up. And you could pump it up probably effortlessly, but I do have an electric pump, so let's see if we could actually use it for this. Let's go ahead and actually unbox it, pull it out. Here we go. Shaped like a grenade. Isn't that cool? We did it! Alright guys, let's go ahead and actually inflate this boat right here. Is it really possible to try to actually inflate this? Upon inspection, looking at this connector and looking at the original connector, they obviously don't match up. You do need this twisty little connector to actually inflate this boat. It's the original one. And then of course, the pump goes over here, you know. But I gotta wait for you to do it. So basically you take this pump, you put the original type of hose back on, then you're gonna have 4 different fittings. You could pretty much use these 3 and it would work, but I'm gonna try to see which one of these would work best. So this is not gonna actually work. This will work, but it's more for like inflating balloons. This is gonna work best. So we need a proper seal over here. So here's what we do. First of all, we're gonna need to put this connector on here. So we twisted it on. So now the idea is to actually stick it in over here, but we need a proper seal. So here's what we're gonna do. There's actually a rubber seal over here. And this actually, this boat actually, well, this pedal board actually came with one as well. So you could actually put this on over here. And obviously on this one, it's a really tight seal. Let me see here. But we can't get a good angle on there, but this one, there's a rubber piece, so if you squeeze it over here up against it, we should get a good seal. So let's go ahead and actually start inflating. Just fine. Put it on over here. I must say, it actually works pretty good. Beats pumping, that's for sure. So anyways guys, this grenade actually worked pretty well. It does get a little bit warm after actually using it, and where the air is kind of blowing. But for this little thing to blow up a big pedal boat like this, it is actually amazing. And this pedal boat is actually very strong, very sturdy. You could definitely stand up on this. So anyways, definitely recommend it. It's a good budget type of way to blow it up real fast without breaking a sweat. But anyways guys, if you're trying to pick this up, or if you're looking for an electric pump, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the Amazon listing of this pump right here. If you do want to pick it up, click on it and get it. But until next time guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye. My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.